back to my channel. Today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you. I got this yesterday and I haven't opened it, so I'm just going to open it on camera for you and show you what I got and what I think I'm going to keep. If you checked out some of my other videos, please consider subscribing and liking this video if you want to see more videos by me. So I'm going to open my box. So last time I got a box was my first box and I thought they like nailed it so well. So here's the return envelope. It looks like I have like a little jewelry thing and then a little note. Happy Fix Day, Adrian. I hope this fix finds you well and brings you a smile. I'm so excited to style you today. I saw your request for a midi dress. I didn't have any for you this time, but we can keep our eyes peeled for you next time. I was able to pull a pair of olive skinny jeans that I thought you would love from Lakeview Denim. Are these what you were looking for? How do they fit? Pair them with a good HU-Man cowl neck knit top and some black booties for a complete look. The jeans will also look great with the tinsel chambray top for a casual look. Layer it with the cotton Emporium color block cardigan for some extra warmth. I hope you enjoy trying these pieces. I look forward to reading your feedback. Let us know what pieces you would be interested in seeing next time. XO Brittany. So I'm not gonna look at what is in there, although she mentioned some things in the note, but I kind of want it to be a surprise. Let's see what I have. Just one more box, I think it's a jewelry. Why don't we open this first? It's a Kate Spade. Wow, they're Kate Spade like stud earrings, but they're not like clear, they're like a black color. These are really pretty. Those are cute. Those are very cute. We have like a chambray top. I don't love like these flower prints. I don't know if you can see them. I think it looks a little childish. I'm not the biggest fan of this. I think I'm going to have to pass on this one. Let's see what's next. This is looks like a cowl neck or a turtleneck type shirt. I think this one I'm definitely gonna have to try on. Can't really just tell from seeing it in person, so I'll try that on. Along with that one, I'll try everything on just so you guys can see, and then I can make my own final decision. Now we have a little, oh, it's like a little cardigan. It's like color blocked. Do you guys see that? This is cute. I actually saw a sweater like this at Target, which is like my go-to. This is from Target, and it was all just this pattern, and I was really tempted to buy it, but yeah, maybe. We will see. These are a pair of jeans. She said that they were olive, but these look a lot more like dark gray to me. I'll try them on and we'll see. All right, let's go try these things on. All right, so I'm wearing the like color block cardigan and the jeans that were in my box. These jeans are like, they just feel kind of cheaply made, and also they're like a little tight for me. I just feel like they don't fit. I don't really like these. I wanted more of like an olive green, and these look, please tell me if I'm crazy, but this looks gray to me. I don't see any green in this. But this cardigan is really, really cute. I like how long it is. Like I wouldn't pick this in a store if I was just in a store, but it's really cute. This is a contender. The jeans are probably not. Okay, so I have on the chambray top, and I just kept my jeans on that I got in my box also. I just don't like this pattern. I think it's very childish. I don't know. Also, the arms are like semi-tight compared to like the rest. I don't know. This is definitely a pass for me. It's not my style at all. Okay, so I have the black cowl neck shirt on. I didn't realize it actually has pockets, and I think this is like athleisure wear type of thing. It's very cozy. I don't know, I didn't sign up for Stitch Fix to get like cozy comfy wear. Like I wanted like clothes that I wouldn't necessarily pick out for myself, and also this just makes me look like I'm a balloon in my opinion. Ugh, I don't really like this. I did put the earrings on, you can see them. These are really really cute. I just have a lot of jewelry, and I think I put on my profile that I didn't want any jewelry. So I'm gonna go change and take all this off and kind of decide. Really, I think this box was like kind of a fail. Okay, so now I'm gonna go through the prices of all of the items in my box. As you guys can tell, I'm not super thrilled about my box. I think they did a much better job last month, but we will go through the prices because I didn't look at the prices before I tried them on. So, Dot color block cardigan, which was this, is $48. This is probably going to be the only thing I keep. The only other thing that I liked were these earrings. These Lakeview denim jeans. They are called the Alex Colored Skinny Jean in Olive. They're a size 4 and they're $58. Honestly, these feel so cheap to me. Like, I would never go for them in a store. And they also just don't look olive to me. Like, please tell me in the comments if you guys think this is olive, because this looks gray to me. Am I like crazy? Anyways, so this is probably gonna be going back. Not probably, it's going back. This chambray pattern shirt with the flowers is called the Tinsel Floyd Chambray Top in Blue. It's $48. I just don't, it fit weird. I really don't like this pattern. Like, I really don't. So this is a hard no for me. This is the Good Human? Maybe. Yes, Good Human. Oh, I see now. The Bethy Cowl neck knit top in black, and it costs $68. This is just okay. I definitely wouldn't spend $68 on it. It's just nothing special to me, so this is gonna go back. So these are the Kate Spade earrings. These are so cute. They are really cute. I just don't need them. I have so many other earrings that I would choose before this. But this and the cardigan are really the only things that I liked. I think this box was kind of a fail. I'm not really happy with it, which is kind of sad. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing below and leave a comment saying what you got in your Stitch Fix this month, or if you didn't like anything in your Stitch Fix, or you loved everything in your Stitch Fix. Leave a comment below, like this video, and thanks for watching, guys.